The 2018 Bugatti Chiron Sport. Introduced in 2016 as a replacement to the already iconic Veyron, the Chiron is Bugatti's fastest and more powerful supercar to date. Limited to 500 units, it's already making headlines on a regular basis, despite having yet to set a new world speed record for production cars. The benchmark is probably reserved for the upcoming Super Sport SS version, but Bugatti is keeping the hype at high levels with all sorts of special edition models. At the 2018 Geneva Motor Show, exactly 2 years after the Chiron was unveiled, Bugatti launched a new variant called the Chiron Sport. It's not the record-breaking super sport we're all waiting for, but it does have a few tricks up its sleeve. The reason why this new Chiron isn't worthy of the super sport name is because the drivetrain carries over mostly unchanged. The chassis features a number of upgrades, but the engine remains in stock form, so performance is pretty much the same. But Bugatti made developments in a department that needed serious improvements since the days of the Veyron, the handling. The Chiron Sport is a much more agile car, and it's better suited for track use. It's also a bit lighter than the standard model and comes with industry-first windscreen wipers made from carbon fiber. Let's find out more about all these enhancements in the review below. Continue reading to learn more about the Bugatti Chiron Sport. Bugatti Chiron Sport exterior. The Chiron Sport features carbon fiber windscreen wipers, a premiere for the auto industry. The Chiron Sport might look identical to the standard model, but if you look close enough, you will notice a handful of new features. Up front, there's only one detail to talk about, the number 16 painted on the grille. Added as a reference to the number of cylinders under the hood, it's also a throwback to Bugatti race cars from the 1920s that had their competition numbers painted on the radiators. Onto the sides, we can see a new wheel design. Not only different in appearance, but these new rims are also lighter. The new wheels are also available in a variety of color combinations depending on the two-tone body finish. Not very obvious but equally important when it comes to weight savings, the Chiron Sport features carbon fiber windscreen wipers, a premiere for the auto industry. Not only lighter, they also have a brand new design that no longer needs the articulated joints which normally feature on conventional wipers. The function of these joints has been integrated into the carbon fiber structure of the wiper arms, while the tips, which are made from aluminum, are produced by a weight-saving 3D printing process. The weight savings are quite notable, as the new carbon fiber wipers are 77% or 1.4 kilograms (3.1 pounds) lighter than their predecessors. There's a new exhaust pipe layout with 4 tips instead of the dual rectangular design on the standard Chiron. Things remain unchanged around back, but there's a new exhaust pipe layout with 4 tips instead of the dual rectangular design on the standard Chiron. Besides giving the car a more motorsport-inspired look, it also reduces the weight. In addition to all of the above, there is an optional color and trim package allowing customers to further customize the appearance of the car. As an example, the presentation model features an Italian red front section and a gray carbon fiber rear section. The C-shaped trim around the doors, usually offered in aluminum, is finished in the same Italian red on this car, as are the brake calipers, the EB logos on the hubcaps, and the underside of the rear spoiler. Other options besides red include French racing blue, gris Raphael, silver, and gunpowder, dark gray. The color of the number 16 on the front grille is included in this package as well. Bugatti Chiron Sport interior. The dashboard, the backrests, and the steering column housing are made from exposed carbon fiber. There are plenty of changes to talk about in the cabin too. The engine starter button, the driving mode selector mode on the steering wheel, and the marketing plate now have an anodized finish. There's a Sport logo on the side sills and an insert on the central console with an embroidered Chiron Sport logo. The steering wheel and selector lever are covered with suede leather, while the roof liner including the A-pillar and sun blinds, the rear wall trim, the sill trims, the lower part of the central console, the insides of the seat side cushions, and the boot lining are wrapped in Alcantara. Smooth leather was used for the seats, the door trims, the islands on the dashboard including the instrument cluster trim, the airbag container on the steering wheel, and the armrest and insert of the central console. Finally, the dashboard itself, the backrests, and the steering column housing are made from exposed carbon fiber. Bugatti Chiron Sport Drivetrain. Bugatti claims that the Chiron Sport benefits from significantly improved handling and greater agility. Despite the Sport name, the engine carries over unchanged from the standard Chiron, so the quad-turbo, 8.0-liter W16 cranks out the same 1,479 horsepower and 1,180 pound-feet of torque. Not that anyone would complain about not having enough oomph. But Bugatti made a few updates in other drivetrain department, as it claims that the Chiron Sport benefits from significantly improved handling and greater agility. Specifically, the French firm developed a new dynamic handling package that includes a stiffer suspension with new control strategy for the shock absorbers. The latter are also 10% stiffer than usual. The new suspension setup and the revised steering come into effect when the new handling mode is activated. But upgrades don't stop here. The rear axle differential has been optimized too, and the car now features a dynamic torque vectoring function that distributes torque individually to the wheels on each side. This update improves the steering behavior and agility of the vehicle, especially in tight curves. A new dynamic handling package includes a stiffer suspension with new control strategy for the shock absorbers. The Chiron Sport is also 18 kilograms (39.7 pounds) lighter than the standard model thanks to the new wheels, the carbon fiber wipers, stabilizer bar, and intercooler cover, and the lighter rear window. It might not sound like much given that the car tips the scales at around 4,360 pounds, but makes a difference on the racetrack, where the Chiron Sport corners significantly faster. Bugatti says that lap times on the Nardo circuit have improved by 5 seconds compared to the regular Chiron. Performance numbers are not yet available, but it's safe to assume that the Chiron Sport needs the same 2.5 seconds to hit 62 miles per hour from a standing start, while top speed remains locked at 261 miles per hour. Bugatti Chiron Sport prices. Pricing for the Chiron Sport starts from €2.65 million in Europe and from $3.26 million on the US market. The sticker includes transport, customs duties, taxes, and fees. That's a 10% increase over the standard Chiron. If you want the optional color and trim package, things get even more expensive at €2.98 million in Europe and $3.67 million in North America. First deliveries are planned for the end of 2018. Bugatti didn't say how many of the 500 planned units of the Chiron will get the sport treatment. Bugatti Chiron Sport Competition. Zenvo TSRS. A brand new model, the TSRS bridges the gap between the road-legal TS1 and the track-only TSR. In short, it has the ability to race at the track, but it's still legal for road use. But unlike the Chiron Sport, it has a more radical appearance and more complex aerodynamics. Beyond the usual features seen on track-ready models, the TSRS also has an innovative rear wing with 2 rotational axes. It helps the car generate more than 3 times more downforce than the TS1 GT and improves braking, cornering stability, and inner tire grip. It's quite powerful too, using a twin-supercharged, 5.9-liter V8 rated at up to 1,177 horsepower. It can also be used in a milder driving mode that limits the output to 700 horses. A 2-stage gearbox enables the driver to use a standard road configuration and a more brutal, power shift setting for track action. Needless to say, the TSRS is significantly more agile than the Chiron Sport at the track. And it's lighter too. Pricing is not yet available, but it should cost around $2 million before options. Only 5 units are built per year, so it's pretty exclusive, even when compared to a Bugatti. Read our full review of the 2019 Zenvo TSRS. Koenigsegg Agera RS. The Agera RS is arguably one of the greatest supercars that come with more than 1,000 horsepower. Designed and built in Sweden, the Agera RS is one of the quickest and most potent supercars out there, being powered by a twin-turbo, 5.0-liter V8 engine that cranks out 1,341 horsepower. The supercar also holds a few world records for acceleration, braking, and top speed. The Swedish supercar is the world's fastest since November 6, 2017, when it hit an average top speed of 277.9 miles per hour, around 10 miles per hour more than the previous record holder, the Bugatti Veyron. The only issue with the Agera RS is that you can't really buy it anymore with the remaining units already sold out. Read our full story on the 2017 Koenigsegg Agera RS. Conclusion. There's absolutely no argument against the Bugatti Veyron when it comes to output, acceleration times, and top speed, but much like the Veyron, the Chiron is far from being a potent track car. I'm not saying that it can't post solid lap time on any circuit around the world, but compared to other vehicles in this niche, it's quite heavy and not as nimble as the Bugatti heritage suggests. And that's what the French firm was trying to change with the Chiron Sport. Unfortunately, although it's better at cornering, this version of the Chiron is still a heavy supercar with incredible power. At nearly 4,400 pounds, it's slightly heavier than a stock 7 Series and more than 1,200 pounds heavier than the Koenigsegg Agera RS. I guess this saying everything if you're looking for a track-potent supercar. Loved industry first carbon fiber wipers, customized exterior, lighter than standard Chiron, improved handling. Leave it not exactly a track car yet very, very expensive references. Read our full review on the 2018 Bugatti Chiron. Read our full speculative review on the 2020 Bugatti Chiron Super Sport. Read more Geneva Motor Show news. Read more Bugatti news.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.